southeastern Warren County, northwestern Halifax County, until 1:45 p.m. At 1 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Littleton, or 11 miles southeast of Warrington, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Caleb's not related.
Impacted include Roanoke Rapids, Halifax, Littleton, Weldon, Arcola, Maddox Mountain State Park, South Weldon, Airlie, Rosemary, and Roanoke Rapids Lake. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 173 and 168. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Halifax, and Warren. This is NOAA weather.